In this video, we'll be going from understanding that you've gained from the last video, and I'll put that up shortly if you haven't seen it to catch up, into experience. From thinking about, intellectualizing, understanding, and bringing that into lived, embodied experience. Lived, embodied experience. So let's get into it. For the first practice, this is the first practice that I encourage you to engage in, to become engaged with. Very, very simple one. Very, very simple one. Notice the resistance in you as I describe it. We all have resistance. It's not a puzzling thing, understand it. We understand ourselves through what we say yes to, what we say no to, and the risks involved. And either decision kind of designates a pathway. Let's discover our own pathway. This is to do with the first one. Where do you feel drawn to in nature? Where do you feel drawn to in nature? It may be really accessible, it may be a park, it may be bushland, a reserve, maybe the beach, it may be a mountain, maybe a stream, but wherever it is, to trust that impetus or that drawing and say, yes, that's the place, the first one that comes. Because this process happens there. Place yourself there, taking 3 deep breaths into your tummy area, fill up, breathing out a little bit longer than your in-breath, and make an intention to be an explorer. Make an intention to be an explorer. In this exploration, turn your body whichever way to face the area that intuitively feels right. And if you're not sure, do not be concerned. Turn and go, yes. Your intention is to be an explorer. Walk 6 to 8 steps. What's the right number for you? 6 to 8 steps. Stop. Feel your feet on the earth. Look around you, 360 degrees around you. Look up. Look down at your feet on the earth. Take a breath and repeat. Repeat this 3 times. 3 times. The steps, the stopping, the being aware of your feet on the ground, looking around, turning around, 360 degrees, looking up. Then take the next 6 to 8 steps. Repeat the process. Then take a breath wherever you're standing. Take a breath, a big breath. And notice any kind of feeling, experience, tingling perhaps. What part of the body feels a little bit different? What part of your mind feels a little bit different? What do you smell now? What do you feel? The breeze perhaps? Be with that now. Just be really aware, sensually aware. You may even go down and feel the earth. Be with the experience now. This next process of alignment involves you being outdoors, although it can be done indoors, but outdoors, creating a circle One large enough to step into and step back from. Create it out of, you may have material at home that you want to use, crystals and so forth. That's fine. If you're outdoors, leaves, branches, stones, whatever's around you, creating a circle. One that you're going to dismantle after this process. Put back. And once that circle is created, it's a circle of wholeness. It's a circle of freedom. When you step in to that circle, you are stepping into a whole version of you, a remembrance. Make an intention, your intention. Once I step in, my body will remember what to do. And it may be just to stay very still. Or it may be to move. You will know, trust that, make your intention. Taking the breath, 3 breaths, a bit deeper than you would normally breathe. Slowly breathing out, making an offering perhaps, for this is for my higher good, I step forth. But this is for my higher good, I step forth. Then step into the circle. Now, once in the circle, register within yourself. How does it feel? Stepping into this, stepping into a more fuller way of being in the world. Noticing. Notice your feet on the ground. Notice if there's a breeze or any kind of emotional feeling perhaps that's happening. Increase your awareness. Increase the state of attunement. That's what you're doing. You're attuning your body to the environment. No need to think about this. No need to ponder this or that, although that may happen. Notice that too. Spend a little bit of time there. You might want to walk around or maybe not. Maybe you want to sit down. Your body knows. Your body is kind of, in a sense, anticipating a certain excitement of the exploration. And when you're ready, maybe almost immediately, or you may stay there for a while. But when you're ready, step back out of the circle. Give thanks and gratitude for whatever has happened there. Dismantle the circle, putting things back wherever they came from as best you're able. And that is your practice. That circle that you create, and it's being created in a sense through you as well, is a place to go. This is your sanctuary, your safe place. You create it. In fact, you co-create it. And remember it. It's there. You've experienced it. You know it. The more you do this, the greater the relationship will be. And the freer you will be. Thank you. And so, now you have a couple of tools, at least, to work with. Another tool, a way of, you could say, really feeling it and externalizing it, is through journaling. Have a journal. In your journal, write some of your experience. Put a date on it at the top, so you've got a reference point to come back to. You may use the written word. You may use colouring in pencils. You may choose to do a collage as well, any of those or all of those in your journal. Keep yourself creative and alive. You may do that within your circle, your creation, your co-creation circle. That can be incredibly powerful, incredibly powerful. So make sure you continue to grow, continue to relate, continue to express. You are here to express into life your uniqueness. No one can live your life except you. So we need to stop living our lives for others. Doesn't mean to be totally selfish or narcissistic, but you've got your own unique story to bring into life. Keep it going, keep it flowing, keep yourself going, keep yourself flowing. So this next video, I hope I'm pointing the right way, the next video, we'll go deeper again. This is Dr. Robert signing off for now. Consider subscribing. Consider putting a like. Consider making a comment. I'd love to hear from you. You will get an answer if you make a comment. So keep in touch.